Do you want to try AI trading, but you don't want to spend money? That's smart. You don't need coding skills. You don't need expensive software, and you don't need to be a Wall Street expert. I'll show you beginner-friendly AI trading platforms available in the USA that you can start testing for free. The first platform is Tickeron. This one is interesting for beginners because it has ready-made AI trading bots. So instead of building a strategy from zero, you can look at existing AI robots. Tickeron shows robots for stocks, ETFs, and crypto. You compare their performance, you can look at open and close trades, and you can study how the bot manages risk. That makes it useful even if you are not ready to trade with real money yet. For a beginner, this is a good way to learn what automated trading actually looks like. The second platform is Composer. Composer is great if you want to build automated strategies without coding. You don't need Python, you don't need complicated formulas. You build strategies using simple blocks, almost like Lego. For example, if the market is going up, buy this ETF. Or if the market gets too risky, move to cash. This is powerful because it teaches you how to think in rules. And trading with rules is much better than trading with emotions. The next is TradingView. Most beginners know TradingView for charts, but TradingView can also help with automation. You can create alerts. An alert means TradingView watches the market for you. For example, if Tesla goes above this price, tell me. Or if Bitcoin drops below this level, send me a notification. This is very useful because beginners often stare at charts for hours. TradingView helps you stop doing that. You create a rule, the platform watches the market, and you wait for the alert. That teaches one of the most important trading skills. Follow rules, not emotions. Remember, if you are new, don't chase profits. Learn, practice, understand risk first. The best AI trading bot is not the one that promises quick money. It's the one that helps you become a better trader. Leave a comment, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.